Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting. This will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. And that the next product on my list is precious metals, which is different from precious stone. When you talk about precious stone, you're talking about topaz, tourmaline, and the like. For precious metal, you're talking about precious metal like diamond, like gold. Precious metal. Germany spent 30.2 billion for precious metal. 30.2 billion for precious metal. What are these precious metals? Highest on the list is gold. 37.8% is spent to import gold into Germany. Next to this list is platinum. 32% of the $30 billion. That's like $10 billion. Only for platinum. Then precious metals scrap. 12.3%. Silver. 6.04%. This country like a lot of jewelries. Can you imagine? Can you believe it? That this country is spending over $1 billion. This country is spending over $1 billion to import jewelries, different kind of jewelries. And the fake one, jewelry imitation. 6.6% for jewelry, 1.68% for jewelry imitation, copying. Germany do not import a lot of diamonds, strangely. They only spend about 0.93% to import diamond. 0.93% to import diamond. So this country spend 30.2 billion to import different kinds of precious metals.